This is the Audio Pro Business wireless speaker installation in the Midlands Art Centre. It's installed by Acquis Media. The Café area is covered by the SP1 wireless speakers. These are mounted into the lighting rail, which is a 3-circuit style lighting fitting. It powers the speakers, and the audio signal is wirelessly transmitted to the speaker over 1.9 GHz spectrum. This spectrum avoids any interference from 2.4 gig Wi-Fi. The Vol 1 is a simple wireless volume control, super easy to control by the Café staff. They're very easy to install, just clicking them into the lighting rail, although you can also mount them to a wall and provide them with standard power, and they sound great.